from Mobility Plus North Scottsdale, and thank you for purchasing or renting the four-wheel Revo. Today I will be showing you how to charge your scooter, and with your rental or purchase you should have received this charger. There are two ends to the charger. One of them is a three-pronged plug that will plug in directly into your scooter, and the other is a three-pronged plug that will plug in directly to the wall. Any standard outlet will work. First, you're going to take the scooter three-pronged plug and you're going to plug it in right below the tiller. It's on the left side of the scooter, right here. Next, you're going to take the wall end of your charger and you're going to plug it in directly into the outlet. Something that's important to note about this particular scooter is that you can plug in the scooter plug into the battery box, and then that way you don't have to bring in your whole scooter into your house or wherever you're charging. You're going to lift this flap over here on the right side of the scooter and you're going to just plug this right in, and then you can take this battery box out if you want to bring it inside. Something that's important to note about your scooter is your charging box. So on the top here we have a red light, and this just basically means that there's power going into the charging box. So we want this to be lit. The bottom light is either going to be red, blinking green, or solid green. If it's red, it means it needs a charge. If it's green, it means it's fully charged and ready to go. And if it's blinking green, that means it's doing a trickle charge. And a trickle charge just means it needs a little bit of topping off as far as energy goes. Lastly, it's important to note that you should not leave your scooter charging for more than overnight. This can expand the battery and cause a lot of problems and damage to the batteries, causing you to have to replace them more regularly. So just make sure that you charge your scooter only overnight, no longer, and unplug it in the morning, and you should be ready to go. We also recommend that you do this just once a week. If you use your scooter more often and it needs a charge, feel free to charge more than once a week. But if you are just letting your scooter sit or you haven't used it in a couple days, remember to charge it at least once a week overnight and no longer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your scooter.